Alrighty, so I thought I would share this really funny video I posted on Facebook. I put it on Twitter. But anyways, over the holiday, I went up to Beach Mountain, North Carolina. Long story short, I stopped in Savannah on my way up. I booked a hotel at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, and the only way you could park was with valet. So I never liked to valet my vehicle, but I did this one time, and there was one person working, young kid, and as soon as he saw my Jeep, I already could tell he was not happy about having to park it. My Jeep's lifted. If anybody knows me and have seen it, they know it's a big vehicle, and it's not fun to drive. I don't even like to drive it half the time, but I digress. Anyways, I have a Ring dash cam in the car, and when I noticed the vehicle was in movement when I went up to my room, I decided to peep in on the driver, which the driver went off on an epic tangent, like absolutely funny. But more alarming, it was the fact that he was going through my center console and going through my things, and the fact that he said that he wished he could steal from my Jeep. Now, I never leave any firearms or valuables behind, so I wasn't worried about that. But if you knew that that was a camera and it was recording, why would you say half of what you said? That just makes no sense. But in any event, I really hope that Hilton ends up at least refunding the stay, because it did make me very uncomfortable leaving my vehicle there, or at the very least, just refund the $45 for parking, and I'll pretty much call it even. But just paying for parking like that was bullshit. But anyways, here's that video.
I wish I could steal from this car. I hate it so much, but Jesus Christ, dude, this shit is so fucking ass. I would rather get pegged for fucking 80 hours than to drive this piece of shit. Oh. Ugh.
I would hope you wouldn't want to get pegged for 80 hours like that. That would be absolutely brutal, but I mean, I hear you.